Hello, in this video lesson we will talk about parabolic SAR indicator. In some way this indicator is special. What are its peculiarities and how will they help us in trading? All these questions we will discuss today. Probably due to educational video materials from InstaForex company, you already know different indicators that help traders to find both the direction of the market tendency and its strength. You know that a lot of indicators and oscillators or their combinations can create trading signals, thus allowing a trader to determine the entry point on the market. The main feature of parabolic is that this indicator, being a trend one, in point of fact can both confirm the direction of the current trend and point to where we should leave the position opened along with the trend. Moreover, this is the key method to use this indicator, but for position opening, the parabolic is not almost used. SAR abbreviation in the indicator's title stands for stop and reverse. In other words, the parabolic indicator provides the trader with exit and entry points. The uniqueness of this indicator lies in fact that it responds to price fluctuations as well as to time, while the majority of indicators do not take into account the time factor. Let us plot the parabolic on the chart. The trading platform InstaTrader supports the great number of indicators and oscillators, including parabolic SAR indicator. It is very easy to plot the parabolic on the chart of the chosen tool in InstaTrader. To do this, you need in the menu of Navigator panel to open the list of indicators, choose parabolic SAR and move it with the help of the mouse on the chart, or click on it twice using the left button of the mouse. In both cases, the dialog window with the indicator's parameters appears on the screen. These parameters can be left unchanged, adjusted manually, or standard settings can be restored by pressing Reset button. Parabolic represents the dots, the arrangement of which towards the price shows us the direction of the current trend and gives the specific landmarks to place stop-loss orders. When the dots are below the price bars, then the trend is directed upside. When the points are above the bars of the price chart, then the trend is directed downside. The dots are set on the levels, which are the levels of trailing stop-loss. In other words, the level of so-called protective stop follows the price movement, which allows to increase the possible profit if price moves according to the trend. Parabolic is the indicator that takes into account both the prices and time passed since the beginning of the trend, or theoretical entry in position. Parabolic also takes into account so-called aging of a trend and the value of points approach the price reading with acceleration, which depends on the age of the trend. The younger the trend is, the further parabolic points are, and correspondingly the levels of stop-loss for positions opened along with the trend, and vice versa. The older the trend is, the closer the points to the price are, and they approach it faster. The indicator parameters that we saw in the dialog window of its settings determine both the speed of parabolic reading's approximation to the price and the maximum value of this acceleration. If to talk about the practical usage of this indicator, there are two widespread ways of its application. The first one is a signal filtering of other indicators or trading systems. Using this approach, you will take into account only those trading signals that correspond to parabolic points arrangement towards the price. In case parabolic is below the price, we take into account buy signals. If parabolic is above the price, then sell signals are taken into account. The second method is probably the most popular one. It implies the usage of trailing stop. As you already know, each parabolic point determines the current level for the placement of stop-loss, and a trader moves the stop-loss on these levels, until the position reaches the level of profit fixation or trend reverses. The usage of parabolic for the setting of stop-loss levels Do not allow the position to close too early under the influence of random price fluctuations and provides an opportunity to take good profit on the trend market. Perhaps Parabolic is the best tool to receive the highest profit when the trend is strong. Use Parabolic SAR indicator in your trading systems and strategies, and this will help you to improve the results of your trading. At this point, we finished the discussion of Parabolic SAR indicator. Instaforex company wishes you luck in trading. Goodbye.